Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. And I'm gonna try to make this super fast because tomorrow is gonna be physics exam. I have not studied all the chapters for it. So I'm like super hungry and I kinda wanna eat caramel popcorn. So let's see what we're gonna do. I have zero plan about what I'm doing right now, but we're kind of gonna wing it. Okay, so obviously you're gonna begin with switching on the gas first. Then you're gonna add a little bit of oil. Then obviously you're gonna have your popcorn that's gonna go in. Okay, so I know you're gonna think I'm a maniac or something, but I feel like drinking tea right now. So I'm making tea for mom and myself. So enjoy enjoy that now. So now you're gonna take a little bit of sugar. I'm making like half of the popcorn that I made into caramelized popcorn. So I'm gonna take like double the amount of sugar basically. A fair warning before you guys just pick up sugar and try to melt it. The melting point of sugar is like 165 to 200 degrees Celsius, somewhere in that range. So be careful with it because essentially the boiling point of water is like 100 degrees Celsius. Now once your sugar is at this consistency, what you can do is you can actually now go ahead and stir it because there's no sugar particles that are left. This would be much easier if you would have had, let's say, powdered sugar. But again, we're doing stuff with what we have because this was one of those 3 a.m. moments. There's our salt, just a little bit. Okay, so in under 15 minutes, the popcorn's made and the tea is almost ready. Now, here's the thing. Personally, I think it's very weird when you have tea with popcorn, but then obviously you have to let the popcorn, the caramelized popcorn, cool down for about 10 minutes and then you can have it. It's gonna be super amazing. It's gonna taste super amazing. I would love it if you guys would try to make it. Okay, so I just handed a little bit of that caramelized popcorn to my mom and she hasn't tried it yet. So I kind of wanted to see if she'll like it or not. So go ahead, ma. How is it?
Very tasty.
She likes it. So I'd say overall that's a success considering she also has tea in case she didn't like it. But since she does like it, this is amazing. The coolest part about all of this is I still have like a little bit of normal popcorn that I could. The good thing is I still have a little bit of normal popcorn that I could munch on, and overall I'm super proud of myself. Knock on wood, it actually turned out really well. If you guys do try to make this popcorn, make sure that you tag me on your Insta story or something and make sure that you comment down below if you're gonna try it or not. This is gonna be the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and we're gonna keep it till here. Have a good one, guys.